hello students, welcome in today's video, and today we're going to look at how to use this word want to instruct someone. Once again, how to use want to instruct someone. So using want to instruct someone, it means to give orders for someone to do for you something. For example, I want you to bring me fish. So you are like ordering, you are sending him or her to bring fish for you. So we are going to look at how we use this want to order or instruct someone. Instructing someone means to give orders. Giving orders is like you are sending that person to bring something for you, to do something for you. So mainly want is mostly used in restaurants and public places to order for something. So we use this want when we want to order, and we normally use it in restaurants and other public places when we want to get something from someone. Okay, let's look at how want is used. In order for you to use this word want in order to instruct someone, you start with the subject followed by the word want. You add on other words. Remember we said subject, it can be a name of anything or a noun, or it can be a pronoun. And pronoun we have he, she, it. If you didn't look at pronouns, you can review my video about subjects and pronoun in sentence construction. So a subject can be a name of anything or its pronoun. So after writing the subject, you add the word want and other words that you are going to use. Once again, in order for you to use this word want to instruct someone, you start with the subject, add on the want and other words. Okay, let's see how this is done. Example 1, we have I want you to come here. You are instructing him to come. I want you to come here. A point to note here, we've said you start with the subject. So my subject in this case, I've started with I, followed by the word want, as we've said, followed by want, and then you add on other words. So I want, what do you want? You want him or her to come. So I want you to come here. So these are other words after writing the subject and want. Once again, you start with the subject, which is I, followed by the word want, and add on other words that you want to use. So I want you to come here. You are ordering him, you are instructing him to come there. So I want you to come here. Hope we are together. Let's look at the next example. Number 2, we have we want. We is the subject, and here we've used the pronoun. We want the blue pens. Once again, we want the blue pens. So you are instructing him to give you the blue pens. So we want the blue pens. The next example, I want fish, please. So you are in a restaurant and you want to get fish. You say, I want fish, please. So please, it shows politeness in speech. That's why we add on please. I want fish, please. So I is the subject, want the word, followed by the other word. So I want fish, please. Next example, I want you to paint it. I want you to paint it. Hope you can note the subject, I, followed by want you to paint it. Example 5, I want that place cleaned up. You're giving orders. I want, I is the subject, followed by the want, that place. I want that place cleaned up. You're instructing him or her to clean up the place. We want to go. We want to go. They want those girls out. You want those girls to get out of the house. So we say they want, they is the subject, want those girls out. So that is how we use want when we are instructing or when we want to give order. To note, when we are to use want, you use subject first. You start with the subject, followed by want and other words. Okay, that is how we use want to instruct someone or to give orders. Let's meet up in the next video. Remember here at Benny 9531, we learn English with ease. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, bye bye.